Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn on incognito mode in Google Chrome on Android. So let's get started. So here we are in our App Store. You can get your Google Chrome right here, or if you are in iOS, you can get it on App Store right here. So once you have installed it, you can now open it right here by clicking or tapping on this button right here, open. So let's open it right here, and when you first open your browser or Google Chrome right here, it would appear like this. So to get into the incognito mode, you simply need to go and tap here on the three dots on the top right of your screen right there, and from here you have the option to tap on this one, new incognito tab. So you want to tap on that and you are now in incognito, and that's how simple it is to go into incognito mode on Google here in Android. So once you are here, your Google Chrome won't be able to save the following information: your browsing history, cookies and site data, information entered in forms, and of course your activity might still be visible to the websites you visit, your employer or school, and your internet service provider. So you might really want to know this or take note of this one in case that this will be useful to you. And take note that everything that I said here is basically true for all browsers right there. So if you're using Safari or maybe Opera browser, Opera GX and whatsoever, then it's basically the same. You all still need to go here in the main menu right here, then you can have the option right here to get an incognito tab. So, and also these statements right here is basically true for all web browsers that you are going to use, not just for Google Chrome. So that's basically it for this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.